vector for 10 miles final. Okay, right 115, Emirates 346. And Emirates 346, like to reduce speed.
Okay, maintain 200.
Thank you.
Emirates 346, descend 2,500, Carolina, runway 14 left.
2,550 ILS 14 left, Emirates 346. Emirates 346 from the ILS 14 left.
The 346, continue please. Emirates 346, contact tower 118.5.
118.5, Emirates.
Correction, 118.5.
Okay, adjustment, fly heading 290, descend 5,000 feet.
Heading 290, 5,000.
Japan Air 723, direct to Kilo.
Direct to Kilo, so Japan Air 723.
K1397, direct.
Right, we can also Malaysian 1397.
K253, descend 9,000 feet, speed 220 knots. Contact tower 118, make with it there.
Japan Air 723, request descent.
Japan Air 223, descend 4,000 feet. Japan Air 723, descend 7,000 feet.
Descend 7,000, Japan Air 723. Airport circuit, cruise provider.